Get litty.
Oh man, is that the sun? Is that beautiful weather? Oh boy, let me tell you, I am out and about. Gotta go help a buddy, and yeah man, it's gonna be a good day. Gotta probably go get a battery for the bike. It's time. Bike needs a battery, probably an oil change. Been sitting up pretty much for most of the winter. And then we are going to be riding with Trey as well. You guys have seen him on the channel a couple times. He's the one I slapped in the race with the 08 Gixxer. I'll go ahead and put a link right here if you guys want to check that one out. Man, it's going to get up to like 74 degrees, 76 degrees today. And that's just going to be absolutely perfect. Got my YouTube cards again, man. Damn. Ooh, look at that car, boy. Look at that thing, boy. 42 Dodge. Man, it's such a release to just get out and be able to goon a little bit. Do I still got my water bottle? Yep. Yeah, I'd be so scared of scraping that thing that's the highway bar for his foot. Like, I know it's not like a sports bike, you can't like really lean them that hard, but yo, I'd be so sketched out. I've scraped on a Harley before and it was scary. See, the only bad thing about living in my area, alright? Oh wow, they finally tore that down. So the only bad thing about living in my area is that it's a huge tourist spot. So literally during summer there's traffic way more than there should be, and it just sucks, man. And they're building all types of houses, so that's going to cause more traffic, and we don't have good roads out here. This is pretty much what you see is what you got. So guys, looks like we are going to be pulling up to my buddy Chris's house. He's got a nice SRT, gonna help him out, do a tune-up on his car. I'm a mechanic, he's not, so he hit me up, asked if I could help him out. I don't got a problem with it, make some cash. I told him 10 o'clock, and it is legit 10 o'clock, and his house is right down the road. What's up, bro? I smelt that down the road. Alright, you guys, so we just finished up a tune-up on the Scat Pack. Nothing, just talking.
Oh, my bad. Thanks, man.
Anytime, brother.
My intro?
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
Look how good you look. Hey, puppy! Can I pet him? Can I pet him? Oh, hello! Oh my goodness! Alright, and we are pulling up to Armadillo's. Hopefully they got some time to work on the bike. I'm hoping. Guess we are going to find out. You're already shaking your head at me. You're already shaking your head. Already shaking your head at me. You can't even say hello first?
Hello.
What you doing with your box out here? Your what? No. What? What the? That's fine. He's an asshole anyways. Where are you going? You doing fabricating? What's it?
Advocating RV campers.
Hell yeah, man. I'm gonna miss you. Retiring.
Thank God. That's good.
Oh yeah. Well, hey, it holds. It holds at 180 mile an hour, so.
That's a good flirtation.
If y'all are around the area, definitely check out Armadillo's. They got some nice used bikes in here. Those are gonna be 2-track bikes. But got a nice Busa over there, nice R3. I think that's a customer one. But I'm gonna chill out for a minute, and I'll see you guys back here in a little bit. Hey man, good luck. I'm gonna miss you. Don't be a stranger. Y'all, thank you so much for the food. Appreciate you. Alright, appreciate it, man.
See you, brother.
See you later, bud. Appreciate everything you've done, man.
I'm always here for you.
Yes, sir. Man, I ate a lot of food, bro. They had everything. Shrimp, sausage, corn, the mussels, the whole 9, bro. Here, just come here. Come here. Here. Ooh, get some air flowing for baby girl. So I let Trey ride the R1 yesterday. He came over to my house for dinner, and gave him the keys to the R1, and he took it out, and oh man, he he was head over heels for it. But he was on the other side, so I think we're good. Oh man, that was a good little run, man. I lost my damn bottle though, damn it. Oh man, my burps taste like seafood. I lost my water bottle.
Yeah.
It flew out.
Hey, that bitch, we were moving too.
That was my favorite water bottle, man. When did my water bottle fly out, man?
On fucking 31.
Yeah, but when? When I blew past you?
Yes. You fucking blew by me, like fucking, I swear, like 160, 170. And like, I was gonna try and catch up, but I couldn't. So, that bitch.
What the f, man? Alright, so we are all filled up with gas. Making sure I got my GoPro. Or the mic all the way in. god, yo! He really got pelted by a bird, yo! Alright, so we are just heading back south. Oh, I guess we're going back to Mexico. Okay.
It's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out. La 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 la, oh, oh. Get me out of broken hearts and starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out.
I spanked that ass, boy. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Yes. 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 Oh my God. Talk about a godsend. Man. Talk about luck, boy. We were just about to take off. Oh my God, yo. Where's homeboy? Oh my God. Alright, you guys, with everything that's happened, especially the good luck, I think it's a good time to end the video here. If you guys enjoyed, make sure that you leave a like on the video. If you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. Also, make sure that the bell notification is on so you always know when I upload more content. And as always, you guys stay blessed, ride safe, and I will see you on the next video.